The psychology of overthinking, why you can't turn your brain off. Ever replayed the same conversation in your head 100 times, thinking, why did I say that? Or stayed up all night imagining every possible thing that could go wrong tomorrow? It's not just thinking too much. It's your brain stuck in a loop, trying to control things it can't. Psychologists say overthinking happens when your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that handles decision making, goes into overdrive. Your brain starts running simulations. What if this happens? What if I fail? What if they don't like me? It's the same system designed to keep you safe from danger, but in modern life, it confuses stress with threat. Instead of saving you, it traps you in what scientists call a cognitive loop. You think, you worry, you doubt, you think again. And each time, your brain releases more cortisol, the stress hormone. So the more you try to solve the thought, the more stuck you become. Overthinking usually comes from 3 hidden fears. Fear of failure, if I think enough, I won't make mistakes. Fear of judgment, if I plan it perfectly, no one can criticize me. Fear of uncertainty, if I predict everything, I'll stay safe. But here's the truth, overthinking doesn't protect you, it paralyzes you. Your brain mistakes thinking for action. You feel productive, but nothing actually changes. So how do you stop? Here are 3 simple psychology-backed techniques. Name the thought. When you say, I'm having an anxious thought, you remind your brain you're not your thoughts. Shift focus to senses. Notice 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch, 3 you can hear. Grounding pulls you back to reality. Time box your thinking. Give yourself 10 minutes to worry, then move on. When the brain sees limits, it relaxes. Overthinking doesn't mean you're broken, it means you care. But sometimes, peace isn't found by thinking more. It's found by letting go. Follow for more psychology insights that help you understand your mind, not fight it.